Okay, after ayan, after clicking the manage tax information, you have to click here the individual, and it's asking here if you're residing in America. No. So next. So this asking if you are outside doing your business. Ayan, tingnan nyo lang po yung ating arrow, no? This is saying that if you are doing the business in outside the country, or this one, or outside America. So I click that one and I continue. After that, ayan na, nakalagay na yung ating name here above, and asking here the nationality. So I put here Philippine, because I'm a Filipina, even I'm residing in Japan. And of course, it are asking for a TIN number. So here, because we are individual in Japan, we just only needed, ito ang importante, no? Namomroblema din ako nung una nito, no? This is our TIN, individual TIN, ang ating my number. We had here ay my number. Ito lang po yung ilalagay natin, yung my number natin. Okay, we have a my number ID. So we don't need to go to municipality to ask for TIN, but we have already that my number. Is very important. Ayan na, my number. That is testify that we are paying taxes. Ayan. So hopefully not we were done. So we're gonna, okay. That we've been asking, ito sa number 1, ano. So, ito yung na-fill up natin kanina. The nationality, my name, the nationality. And, here is asking where you're residing, your permanent address. Okay, so, Japan. And, your postal code. And, of course, the city, here prefecture. Okay, prefecture is chicken. And after that, so we're going, okay, lumagpas tayong konti. Ayan, if your mailing address is same as your residence above, so ayan, para automatically uulitin lang po natin. So i-clear up, no, ating residence and mailing address. If you are the same, so check it out para hindi na tayo mag-type below. And okay, next. Filing our resident address, ano. So eto, ask question. Pati ako nahirapan ako kasi nakakanji, guys. It's asking that under the U.S. tax law, payments that are considered, here are considered U.S. withholding income may be subjected to 30% tax withholding tax. This tax may be levied for the week of the applicable crude tax year. So what it says here, no? The phase the reduction or exemption may be applied to the recipients. So I answer yes. So I check this and putting where country I belong. So I'm here now in Japan. I'm not in inside the United States. So I put the Japan. Ayan na, sinulat na po natin. So scroll down po tayo. And after that, so after clicking, I also, ba na naman to girl, pahirapan na naman to sa Japanese. So eto na naman, chinek natin kasi yon. So eto, ay check ko na naman to kasi this is the reason for meeting regulation, ano. As a taxpayer residing in the country listed, so I'm in Japan, so listed, that I've been wrote above, tax department number section, the individual listed in the taxpayer number section meets the requirements of convention and is permanent in the United States. We do not own the facilities that do not serve as a sole proprietor in the United States from the fixed location in the United States. In addition, that the right property of which the loyalty is paid is not open to the permanent facility of fixed base or actual rent. So, ayan na. Chinek ko na itong which is the Google AdSense to. Chinek natin yan. Then, at, Google AdSense kate na chinek natin, ano. Sorry guys if I didn't explain it well, no? Kasi pati ako naka-Japanese kasi ito. So, ayan na. At least ma-point of view nyo kung paano ang gagawin. So, mag-next na tayo nito. Okay. So, we better do the next. Guys, it says, sir, sa number 4 na tayo, ano? Nasaan na yung ating... Ayan na, sa number 4 na tayo. So, it says her na the document is generated as follows. Please check the 2 PDF to see the details. Ayan, ito yung details, ano? If all above, after we're checking this PDF, so if all above is correct, and all content is true and completed, so, ayan. So, we check na natin to. Okay? So, nawala na yung red. And we have to continue. So, ayan ating PDF. We better check our PDF. Medyo may kahirapan sa Japanese. Kung naka-English to, guys, okay, next na tayo for 5. Kasi kung naka-English to, guys, maigsi lang. But pagdating kasi sa AdSense, although naka-translated into Japanese to English, pero talagang itong AdSense, kapag yung ano na natin, proper identification, ayan, sa number 5, ayan, medyo mahaba-haba itong arithmetic na to. So, ayan, nasa taas tayo. It says here na, after investigating the above application, sa lahat ng mga sinulat ko, no, that I am an individual beneficiary of all income for which the forms open, that I have the right to appoint in behalf of the individual beneficiary. Alternatively, we are using this form to record ourselves for the purpose of Chapter 4. Yung above po nating nilagay, ano, that I am listed that the taxpayer number section of the form is not a taxpayer number, is not from the US, no? So ito na nagpapatunay na I am not from the US. So income associated the forms is one of the following: substantially unrelated to transaction to business and activities in the United States, and secondly, substantially related but not taxable, and the third is really related income from the partnership or perhaps distribution share. The person listed in the payer number section of this form is a resident of the contracting party listed in the phase 3T section of this form. So, ayan po kasi ang ating application, ano? Here are the terms tax related refers to the treaty on income machines between the United States and the above mentioned treaty countries. For broker and barter transaction, and the beneficiary is a tax exempt foreigner in addition. I am lucky enough to be able to distribute or pay income for which I am the beneficiary or I am the beneficiary. I put my own name. It's okay to, if you have your beneficiary, another beneficiary, to collect your payments, ano, either relatives and who will ever you decided to put your beneficiary here, no? So, I put my own, and you have to check that I am the one who was written above, name, and next. For beneficiary po. The last but not the least, ito yung ating pang 6 procedure. So, it was asking here na if we are under United States individual. So, ilalagay po natin dito, ano, napakahirap intindihan, lalo nito naka-Japanese. So, we better check this out. Ayan. And ano po itong chinek kong ito? We check it that it is explained here that watashi wa Google wa ga outside the country of United States. Ano, ito po yung explain. Wag na natin pahabain. Ayan. So, I'm outside the country of United States. And the last, nanlalabo ang ating gumagalaw-galaw yung ating video while I'm fill-upping, naggagalaw ang ating video. So, here is asking that, okay, if I'm already, this form will be submitted. Kung new pa ba, did I receive any payment from the Google? So, ito yung mga first timer na hindi pa po nakakasweldo, no? Not earning yet. So, I better choose the another one. Sa pangalawang kasi I'm earning na already. So, I had to click the second one and click this. Okay. So, if all my information is all correct, so I better check this. This all information is correct, that under the condition that if corrected, I will be punished for the e-charges. Ayan na. And I have not changes the information of the certificates that provided from since January 1 with I started to do the YouTube, no? With January 1, 2020 to until the present. So, those described below is all true. So, pag ayan, if you're done already, so check nyo lang po ito. And this is the promise that the content all true and complete during this period. So, ayan, after that, so last but not the least, we have to submit it now. So, this is it. Everything's okay and we fill up already everything. And the result is we completely zero tax. Ayan. So, thank you so much for watching and don't ever forget to please subscribe. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask the comment section below. And hopefully this will help you how to manage tax information. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.